let's talk about tiling features in macOS Sequoia. Finally, Apple have launched the tiling features inside macOS Sequoia, which is really one of very essential function whenever we need to work parallelly in multiple applications. And this feature used to exist in Microsoft OS from eternity. So I would say it is really nice thing to see this feature coming with macOS Sequoia. Now let's talk about how to utilize it. So here, let me quickly show you. I am currently using macOS Sequoia beta version. And if you are also interested in how to install beta version, then do check the video that I have attached in the description of this one. Now let's come back to our topic, is how to use these apps or Windows styling function. I would say it is quite easy. You just need to hold the title bar of your app or window and then move that toward the direction where you want to snap it. Let's say I would like to snap it toward the left, and here I can also see the preview. After you see this preview, you can release your mouse button, and in this way guys, you will see that your app or window is snapped to that direction. And it's not only limited to making your windows half or let's say full. If I try to snap it on the top, you can also make it a quarter. For that, you need to grab the window and take it toward, upper corner or down corner. And so in this way, you will able to actually snap the window in a quarter. Now to further assist this styling or snapping feature, what we can do is we can press Option button and keep on pressing mouse left button. And here you will see nice preview of Windows Snap that will arrive earlier than before. Now, not only you can do this by simply dragging and dropping windows with the help of your mouse, but you can also manage it by going here on the top in Windows, and then here you will see this option which says move and resize. Now here we can see that, let's say if you want to snap it toward the left, you can choose this option, or there are other options also available, for example right, top and bottom. And then here we also have got these quarters option, for example bottom right, bottom left, top right and top left. And let's say you also have opened multiple apps and you want to set them at a glance, you can choose this option which says quarters. In this way guys, you will see at least 4 of the apps are now placed in the quarter. But one thing here, you will see a slight difference in snapping of Windows and Macintosh. If you are aware of Windows snapping, you will not see any kind of gap. If you also do not want to see this gap that is not being utilized by anything, then in that case what we can do is we can click here on this Apple icon and then go to System Setting. And now here in Desktop and Dock, when we scroll it down, you will see this Windows section. And below that, here you will see the Windows snapping group. And here you will see tile function group or Windows snapping group. And then here, if I turn this feature off, which says tile windows have margins, you will see that now there is no wastage of space. And in this way, actually, we will see we are now utilizing screen space more effectively. So this was all about tiling function inside new macOS Sequoia. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.